Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. Now you will be studying about multiples and factors. So first let us look at multiple. What is a multiple? When two numbers are multiplied, the product is a multiple of the two numbers. Now look at this example. Multiply 5 and 7. So if we multiply 5 into 7, we get the answer as 35. Therefore, 35 is a multiple of 5 and 7. So multiple of 5 and 7 is 35. So you can say, and look at the next example, 2 into 9 is 18. So 18 is a multiple of 2 as well as 18 is a multiple of 9. Now, what are the multiples of 7? Now 7 into 1 is 7. So 7 is a multiple of 7. 7 into 2 is 14. 7 into 3 is 21. 7 into 4 is 28, and so on. Therefore, all these numbers on the right are multiple of 7. All these numbers are multiple of 7. So basically, in a table, if you take a table, once the times table, the product are all the multiples of 1. If you see the 2 times table, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, they are the multiple of 2. If you take 3, 6, 9, 12, 3 tables, times table, all the answers, products are the multiple of 3. Likewise for 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 9. And it goes on for every kind of table. Even if you take 11 ones are 11, so 11 is a multiple of 11. If you take 11 into 2, 11 2 is 22, so 22 is a multiple of 11. Now properties of multiple. Now look at this. Every number, let's look at the first property. Every number is a multiple of itself and 1. Now consider 12. Look at the example. 12 into 1 is 12. So 12 is a multiple of 1 and 12 is a multiple of itself. Itself is which is 12. See 5 is a multiple of 1 and itself. 9 is a multiple of 9 and itself and 1. You can see that. And the second property is there is no limit to the number of multiples of a number. So if you look at the multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72, and it doesn't stop at 72. It will go on. 6 into 13, 6 into 14, 6 into 15. It goes on 6 into 100, 6 into 500, 6 into 600, 26, 600, 6 into 700. It goes on. So basically, the multiple of a number cannot be counted. It is uncountable. The third property. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. So if you consider the number 6, just take for example 6. The smallest multiple of 6 is itself 6. And all the other numbers are greater than 6. As you can see, 6 into 2 is 12. So 12 is greater than 6. If you take 6 into 3, that is 18. 18 is again greater than 6. So the smallest multiple is itself and all the other multiples are greater than the number. Okay, now let's look at factors. What are factors? Factors means if you take a number and when you divide that number with another number such that you get a remainder 0. Now look at this example here. There is 12. Now I have divided 12 divided by 1. I got the answer 12 and remainder 0. I divided 12 by 2. I got the remainder 0. I divided 12 by 3. I got remainder 0. I divided 12 by 4. I got the remainder 0. And when I divided 12 by 5, I got remainder 2. And likewise for 6, I have got 0. remainder 0. For 7, remainder 5. For 8, when I divided 12 by 8, I got remainder 4. When I divided 12 by 9, I got remainder 3. And when I divided 12 by 10, I got remainder 2. And then I got divided 12 by 11, I got remainder 1. And when I divided 12 by 12, I got remainder 0 again. So what do you understand by this? As you can see, if for few numbers we got the remainder 0, and for few numbers we did not get the remainder as 0. So what we can say from this here is that whichever numbers when we divided 12 by, we got the remainder 0, those are the factors of 12. Like for 1 we got remainder 0, so 1 is a factor of 12. For 2 we got remainder 0, so 2 is a factor of 12. For 3, when we divided 12 by 3 we got 0, so 3 is a remainder factor of 12. So all the 0 reminders are the factor of 12. So what all are having 0 reminders? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is not a factor because it has remainder 2, 6, and then 12. So the reminders are, the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the factors of 12. Now look at 12 to understand it much more better. That is one way of finding out. The other way of finding out is 12. So 1 into 12 is 12, 2 into 6 is 12, 3 into 4 is 12. If we go to the next table, that is 4, we have 4 here. We can see we have 4 here, 3 into 4. So 4 into 3 is 12. If we go 5 tables, 5, 12, there is no 12 in 5 table. If you go to 6 table, there is 12. Again you can see here there is 6, there is in 6 there is 12, 6, 12. And then if you look at 7 table, we do not have 12. 8 table also we do not have 12. 9 also we don't have 12. 10 also we don't have 12. 11 also no 12. And 12 we have got 12 ones are 12. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. If we consider number 40, what are the factors of 40? So again we will start with one table. So 1 into 40 is 40. 2 into 20 is 40. 3 table, 40 is not there. 4 table, 4 tens are 40. 5 table, 5 eights are 40. If you go to 6 table, there is no 40. 7 table also no 40. Go to 8 table, 8 5s are 40. 9 table no. So 10 4s are 40. Then 11 to 19 we do not have 40. So 20 2s are 40 and 41s are 40. So the factors of 40 are all this number 1, 2, 4, 5, 40, 20, 10 and 8. These are the factors of 40. Now factors also have some properties. The properties are given here. Every number is a factor of itself. It is also the greatest factor of itself. The factor of a number is always smaller than or equal to that number. 1 is a factor of every number. It is a smaller factor of every number. Consider 12. Now 12, you see 1 into 12 is equal to 12. Take 2, 2 into 6 is equal to 12. If we go with 3 table, 3 into 4 is equal to 12. If you go to next 4 table is here. And if you go to next table, which is 5, 12 cannot go with 5. If you go to the next table, which is 6, 6 into 2 is 12. And if you go with 7 table, it doesn't go. 8 table doesn't go. 9 table doesn't go. 10 also it doesn't go. 11 no, and then 12. Here 5 also it doesn't go. Okay, so then 12. Therefore factors of 12 are this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now if we look at the greatest number here, the greatest is this is the greatest. So if you look, the greatest factor is itself. The number is 12 and the greatest factor also is 12, and 1 is always a factor of that number. Okay. To know what is prime number, we'll be studying what is prime number. So to understand prime number, we should know factors. So what is a prime number? A prime number is a number. It's a number which has factors. 1 and factor 1 and number itself. So if we take any number, let's consider 12. So what are the factors of 12? Let's find out. 1 table 1 into 12, 2 table 2 into 6, 3 table 3 into 4, and 4 table 4 into 3, 5 table you don't have, 6 table 6 into 2, and then 12 into 1. So what are the factors of 12? The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the factors of 12. But what is a prime number? Prime number is it has only factor 1 and number itself. But look at 12, it has how many factors? It has 6 factors. It has 6 factors. Therefore, this is not prime number. Not a prime number. Now if you consider number 2. Consider number 2. Now what are the factors of 2? 1 into 2 and that one. So we can see here the factors are 1 and 2. So 1, like here you can see 1 and 2, number itself. Number itself. So therefore 2 is a prime number. So likewise, let us find the prime numbers between 1 to 20. So let us consider first 1. Now 1 is not considered as a number, it is not taken as a prime number. Okay, so let us start with 2. So for 2, 1 into 2, the factors are only 1 and 2. Let us consider number 3. We have 1 into 3, and we have nothing. 4. Remember one thing, that factors of a number cannot be greater than the number. So factors of 3 cannot be greater than 3. Factors of 4 cannot be greater than 4. Okay, so factors of 4 are 1 into 2 and 2 into 2. So it has how many factors here? Yes, 1, 2, 2, and it has 1 and 2. Now let us go to 5. 5, 1 into 5. That's all. Let's go to 6. So 1 into 6, and we have 2 into 3, then again 3 to just 6, and 4 it will not go likewise. So how many factors here? 1, 2 and 3. So now look at 7. 1 into 7, that is all. We don't have any more. 8. 1 into 8 is 8. 2 into 4 is also 8. 3 table 8 will not go. 4 to 8, and then 5 and 6 it will not go. Then 8. 8 1 ja 8. 9 table. So 1 into 9 is 9. 2 table 9 will not go. 3 table 3 into 3 is 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 will not go, but 9 table 9 1 ja 9. Look at 10. 1 into 10, 2 into 5, and it will not go any more table. 10 will not come in any more table. So 1 into 10, and then 5 table 5 2 ja 10, and 10 table 10 1 ja 10. So these are the factors of 10. Now if you look from these numbers 1 to 10, now 2 to 10, look at 2. 2 has how many factors? It has 1 and itself. If you look at 3, it has 1 and itself. If you look at 4, it has how many factors? It has 1 and 2 and 4. This is 1, 4 is that. Okay, so it has 1, 2 and 4, 3 factors. Let's go to 5. 1 and itself. Let's go to 6. It has 1, 2, 3 and 6. Okay, let's go to 7. For 7 we have 1 and itself. Let's go to 8. For 8 we have 1, 2, 4, 8. For 9 we have 1, 3, 9. For 10 we have 1, 2, 5 and 10. So if you look at all these, you can see that 1, for 2 it has only 2 in it, so therefore this is a 2 is a prime number. 2 is a prime number. If you take for 3, again 1 and itself, so 3 is also a prime number. Take 4, it has how many factors? 3 factors, so it cannot be a prime number. For prime number, it should have 1, factor 1 and the number itself. But here it has 1, number itself, and it has also 2. So therefore this is not a prime number. Because 5, 1 and itself, therefore it is a prime number. 6, it has 1, 2, 3 and 6, therefore it is not a prime number. Let's go to 7. 1 and 7, therefore this is also a prime number. Go to 8, it has 1, 2, 4, 8, so it cannot be prime number. 9 also cannot be a prime number, and 10 also cannot be a prime number. Therefore prime numbers between 2 to 10 are, what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5 and 7. So these 4 are the prime numbers between 1 and 10. And these 4, 6, 8, 10, 9, 10, these are all co-prime number. These are all. This is prime number. This prime number. And 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. That is 4, 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. These are all composite number. They are all composite number.